Very good afternoon, dear students. Welcome to our basic mathematics class. The last class discussed about definition of LCM. What is the definition of LCM? Means the least number which is exactly divisible by each one of the given number, then it is called LCM. There are two methods of finding LCM. First method is prime factorization method. Second method is division method. The last class discussed about to find LCM by using the prime factorization method. I think everyone understanding the first method. Today we are discussing about to find LCM by using the division method. To find LCM by using the division method. What is the condition for? What is the condition for division method? Means in this method divides the given number by given numbers by common prime number. Divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is prime number are 1. So now divides the given number by the common number until remainder is a prime number or 1. We get stop the division method. Then LCM is multiplying all the dividers, on the remaining numbers, remainders. So then the LCM is multiply with the dividers and the remaining remainders. That is called LCM. So what is the method of division method? Means so divides the given number by common prime number, then LCM is multiplying all the divisors and remaining remainders. Then it is called division method. What is the condition for division method? Divides the all the number or given numbers, divides the all the number by common prime number until remainder is a prime number or 1. We get stop the division. Then LCM is multiplying all the divisors and remaining prime numbers. This is called division method. For example, find the LCM of 4, 16 and 36. Find the LCM of 4, 16, 36. What is the condition for division method? Divides the all the prime number. Divides the all the number by common prime number. So what are the given numbers by horizontally? So means 4, 16, 36. Now divides the given numbers by common prime number. Prime number start from 2. So now 2 2 is 4, 2 8 is 16, 2 18 is 36. Next 2 is possible, 2 1 is 2, 2 4 is 8, 2 9 is 18. Next 4 1, so 4 1 is 4. 9 is not divisible by 4. That's why this number by as is. Next we can take an as 9. So 1 is not divisible by 9, that's why 1 as it is. 1 it is not divisible by 9, that's why 1 right as it is. 9 1 is 9. Now divides the given number by common prime number, then until remainder is a 1 or prime number we get stop the divisions. Then LCM is equal to LCM is multiplying all the divisors and remaining prime numbers. LCM is equal to multiplying all the divisors and remaining prime numbers. Here only remaining prime numbers is 1 only. So product with this all the divisors. So now 2 into 4 into 9. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 4 is 16, 16 9 is 144. We got LCM of 4 comma 16 and 36 is 144. This is a division method. Divides the given numbers by common prime number. So what is the given number? Definitely 2 or more numbers divided by common prime number. So here 2 or more numbers divided by 2. That's why I am taking least common number is 2. Now here 2 is divided by 2, 8 also divided by 2, so it can also divisible. That's why you are taking another common prime number 2. So what is the condition for division method? Means divides all the given numbers by common prime number until remainder is a 1 or prime number. So then LCM is equal to product with or multiplying with all the divisors and remaining prime numbers. This is called a division method. Do you understand? Can I go to the exercise 1.2? See the exercise 1.2, question number 2. I think everyone understanding this method. So by using this method, we need to solve LCM by using the division method. See the exercise 1.2, exercise 1.2, question number 2. So what we are asking, find the LCM of LCM of the following numbers by using division method. So by using division method to calculate LCM. See the first question what here given. See the first question. The given numbers are 72, 64. Find the LCM of 72, 64 by using division method. What is the condition for division method? Means divides the given number by common prime number is 2. 236 is 72. 232 is 64. Again 2 is possibility. 218 is 36. 216 is 32. Next 2 is possibility common prime number. 29 is 18. 28 is 16. 2 again we can take. 9 it is not divisible by 2. That's why this number write as it is. Which number not divisible by any one of the number? That number write as it is in the next row. So 2 4 is 8. Next you can take 2. 9 is not divisible by 2. That's why writing as it is. 2 2 is 4. Next 2 you can take. 9 it is not divisible by 2. That's why write 9 as it is. 2 1 is 2. Next you can take 9. 9 1 is 1. 1 it is not divisible by 9. That's why write 1. After here divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is a 1 prime number. So remainder is a 1. So stop the division. After that then LCM is equal to multiply with all the divisors. What is the divisor here? 2 into 2 into 2. 2 into 2 into 2. Only 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 2 how many times will be there? 6 times. 2 into 2 into 2. Next is 9. Now product with all the multiply with all the divisors. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 2 is 16, 16 2 is 32, 32 2 is 64, 64 into 9. So 9 4 is 36, 3 is left. So 9 into 6 is 54, 54 plus 3 is 576. Therefore, the LCM of 72 comma 64 value is 572. So like that we need to calculate LCM. Divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is a 1 or prime number. Then LCM is equal to multiply with all the divisors. This is the solution of this question here, students. Next we are going to second question. See the second question. The given numbers are 48, 96, 72. 48, 96, 72. Now find LCM of 48, 96, 72 by using division method. What is the condition for division? Is divides given number by common prime number is 2. 2 2 is 4, 2 4 is 8 means 2 into 24 is 48. 2 38 is not 2 38 is 240. 2 4 is 8, 2 8 is 6 means 2 36 is 72. Next 2 12 is 24, 2 24 is 48, 2 18 is 36. Next you can take 2 6 is 12, 2 12 is 24, 2 9 is 18. We can take 2 or 3. So I am taking 3. 3 2 is 6. 3 4 is 12. 3 3 is 9. So you can take 2. 2 1 is 2. 2 2 is 4. 3 it is not divided by 2. That's why that number right as it is. 2 again I am taking. 1 it is not divided by 2. That's why right 1 as it is. 2 1 is 2. 3 it is not divided by 2. That's why 3 can write as it is. Next 3 you can take. 1 is not divided by 1, that's why write as it is. 1 is not divided by 3, that's why write 1 as it is. 3 1 is 3. Now divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is a 1. So then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. What is the divisors value? 2 into 2 into 2 into 3 into 2 into 2 into 3. So now product with all the divisors. 2 2 is 4, 4 2 is 8, 8 3 is 24, 24 2 is 48, 48 2 is 96, 96 into 3, 288. So therefore LCM of 48 comma 96 comma 72 is 288. This is the solution of this question. So in the NCERT textbook their given solution is 576. In the textbook their given solution is 576. That is why we can change it. The solution is, the answer is 288. Exercise 1.2 question number 2 Roman number 2. In the textbook they given answer is 576. But answer is not correct 576. The answer correct is 288. We can change the answer in the textbook. That is 288. That answer is 288. This is the correct answer of this question. Do you understand here, students? First divides the all the number by common prime number until remainder is a 1 or prime number. Stop the division, then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. It is called a division method. So see the next question number 4. See the question number 4. I think you are understanding this method. Very simple. Divides the all the number by common prime number until remainder is the 1. We get stop the division. Then LCM is equal to product with the divisors elements. See the third question. The given numbers are 12 comma 15 comma 18. Now find the LCM of 12 comma 15 comma 18 by using division method. See the solution. Divides the given number by common prime number. See here. Now which number you are taking prime number, that number compulsory divisible by each one of the given number. You can take possible 2 or 3 is possible. That is your wish. 2 I am taking. 2 6 are 12. 15 it is not divisible by 2. That's why I am taking 15 right as it is. 2 9 are 18. Next, so these 3 numbers divisible by 3. That's why I am taking. Next prime number is 3. 3 2 are 6. 3 5 are 15. 3 3 are 9. Next you can take 2. So finally you can stop the division here because of 2 comma 5 comma 3 also prime number. You can stop the division after product with the divisors and remaining prime numbers. Or else up to until remainder is 1 we can stop the division. That is our issue. 2 1 are 2. 5 is not divisible by 2, that's right 5 as it is. 3 is not divisible by 2, that's right as it is. Next I am taking 5. So 1 it is not divisible by 5, that's why 1 you can write as it is. 5 1 are 5. 3 is not divisible by 5, that's right 3 as it is. Next 3 we can take. 1 it is not divisible by 3, that's right 1 as it is. 1 it is not divisible by 3, right 1 as it is. 3 1 are 3. So now divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is a 1. So now then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. What are the divisors here? 2 into 3 into 2 into 5 into. Now 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 12, 12 5 is 16, 63 is 190. Therefore LCM of 12 comma 15 comma 18 is 180. This is the solution of this question. Divides the given number by common prime number until remainders are 1. So then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. This is the solution of this question. Next we are going to Roman number 4. What is the Roman number 4? The given numbers are 25 comma 75 comma 150. So now solution divides the all the given prime number by all the given numbers by common prime number. So now we are taking 3 is possibility or 5 is possibility. So I am taking 5. 5 5 is 25. 5 1 is 5. 5 5 is 25. So 15 5 is 75. 5 30 is 1. Again you can take 5. 5 1 is 5. 5 3 is 15. 5 6 is 13. Next you can take 3. 3 2 is not 3 1 is 3. 3 2 is 6. Next you can take 2. So finally we get remainder is 1. Divides the given number by common prime number until remainder is 1. Then LCM is equal to product with divisors. So 5 into 5 into 3 into 2. 5 5 is 25. 25 2 is 50. 50 into 3 is 150. Therefore LCM of 25, 75, 150 is 150. This is the solution of this question. Finally, if you want to one, we can take any one number, that is your wish. One you can take prime number 2 or 3 or 5 or 7 or 11 or anything. But finally we want to remainder is a 1. Whenever remainder 1 we get, stop the division. Then inside the product with the divisors n. That is called a division method. So see the in last question. In this question number 2, last question. See the question number 5. See the Roman number 5th question. The given numbers are 4 comma 12 comma 24. Now divides the all the numbers by common prime number. So 2 2 is 4, 2 6 is 12, 2 12 is 24. Next 2 1 are 2, 2 3 are 6, 2 6 are 12. 3 we can take. So 1 it is not divisible by 3, that's why 1 can take as it is. 3 1 are 3, 3 2 are 6. Next we can take 2. So 1 comma 1 comma 1. Because of 1 it is not divisible by 2, that's why 1 you can write as it is. So 2 1 are 2. So final remainder is 1. Then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. What is the divisors here? 2 into 2 into 3 into 2. Now 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12, 12 2 is 24. Therefore LCM of 4 comma 12 comma 24 is 24. This is solution of this question, dear students. I think everyone understands the division method. So next we are going to question number 3. I think everyone understands the division method. So next we are going to question number 3. See the question number 3. Question number 3 also very simple. See the question number 3, they are asking find the least number or least integer. Find the least integer divisible by find the least integer divisible by, so find the least integer divisible by 18 and 24. Observe here, LCM is nothing but least common multiple. But here least here is there or not? Find the least integer divisible by 18 comma 24. Which method apply here? Find the LCM of 18 comma 24. Why we are applying the LCM method only means LCM stands for least common multiple. In LCM, in first what is the letter is L. L is nothing but least. In the given question also find the least integer divisible by 18 comma 25 means we are applying the LCM of 18 comma 24. We are applying here to find LCM of 18 comma 24. Find the least integer divisible by 18 24 is nothing but to find the LCM of 18 comma 24. Here we can apply prime factorization method or else we can apply division method. That is published. So here applying the division method very easy. So divides all the number by common prime number. So 2 9 is 18, 2 12 is. Next 3 we are taking 3 3 is 9, 3 4 is 12, 3 are you can take 3 1 is 3, 4 it is not divisible by 3, that's why 4 right as it is. Next 4 you can take 1 comma 1. So now then LCM is equal to, so now divides all the number by common prime number until remaining is a 1, then LCM is equal to product with all the divisors. Now 2 into 3 into 4. So now 2 into 3 into 3 into 4. 2 3 is 6, 6 3 is 18, 18 4 is 72. So therefore LCM of 18 and 24 is 18 and 24 is 72. This is required solution of this question here, students. Do you understand why we are applying LCM method means? So in the asking question, find the least integer divisible by 18 comma 24 means, observe here, 72 is divisible by 18 and 72 is divisible by 24. So now what is the least integer? 72 is the least integer divisible by the given number is 18 comma 24. Because of Why we are applying LCM method means LCM stands for least common multiple. So what is the first letter here? What is the first word here? Least will be there. Whenever asking find the least number or least integer, we can apply the method is LCM method. That's why we are asking find the least integer divisible by 18 comma 25. What is the least number divisible by 18 comma 25 means first we have to apply the LCM method. That's why we are writing to find LCM of 18 comma 24. You can apply here prime factorization method or division method, but I am here applying division method. Finally we got LCM value is 72. 72 is the least integer. 72 is the least integer divisible by 18 comma 24. This is the solution of this question here, students. I think everyone understanding the question. I will give you some homework problems. Once you try these questions, homework. Find the LCM of 36 comma 40 comma 48. So find the LCM of 30 comma 60 comma 90. Second question. Find the LCM of 48 comma 96 comma and 74. Next, find the LCM of 36 comma 40 and 48. So we can try these three homework problems. Okay, if I any doubts is there, please ask the tomorrow class. So my WhatsApp number is 830968958. If you have any doubts will there, please call me. I will clarify your doubts. So dear friends, everyone understand today class? Okay. Tomorrow we are discussing about the rest of the question. Thank you, dear students.